Hey there, little adventurers! Are you ready for an amazing underwater journey? Introducing the incredible Kids Blue Pop-Up Tent Ocean World Tunnel Tent. This tent is like having your very own magical ocean kingdom right in your playroom. Imagine diving into a world of endless fun and imagination. This tent is bursting with vibrant blue colors and an awesome ocean-themed design that will ignite your curiosity and transport you to a world filled with fascinating sea creatures and breathtaking coral reefs. It's like having your own personal ticket to an underwater wonderland. But wait, there's more. This tent is all about making playtime extra special. You can crawl through the tunnel and embark on exciting expeditions, discovering hidden treasures and encountering schools of colorful fish along the way. And guess what? There's even a ball pool where you can dive in and have a splash-tastic time. Parents, you'll love this too. Our tent is super easy to set up. In just a few seconds, you'll have a fantastic play space ready for your little ones. No more struggling with complicated assembly. It's hassle-free fun. Safety and durability are our top priorities. This tent is built strong with sturdy support and durable cloth material, so it can handle all your active adventures. Plus, we've made sure to use non-toxic materials for the ball pit, giving you peace of mind while your children play and explore. Whether it's a birthday party, a picnic, a carnival, or a sleepover, our Kids Blue Pop-Up Tent is the perfect addition to any occasion. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays and Christmas, and it will keep your kids entertained for hours on end. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of endless fun and excitement with our Kids Blue Pop-Up Tent Ocean World Tunnel Tent. Get ready to create unforgettable memories and embark on extraordinary adventures. Let's make playtime unforgettable.